For the Smart Grid project, we're testing various different ways to shift peak loads as we move into the future and more renewable energy is placed on the grid. When people use electricity is going to become really important. There's the utility side, in which we have the batteries and the micro EMS balancing loads, but we also need to look at the customer end. The house is demonstrating how a home in the future could respond to the needs of the grid automatically, so that the customer is possibly not even aware that there is a constraint or a peak load on the grid. So the house is a standard house that has been equipped with smart equipment in order to be able to respond and make those decisions for the customer. The research includes these 3 home energy management systems that we're testing, and one of the ways that our researchers are testing this is by simulating a family of 4 living in the home. So we're actually using electricity on a daily basis. So we're heating water in the morning when usually everybody's taking showers. We're running electricity in the evening when people are usually coming home. So we're actually turning on lights, turning on televisions to simulate a family of 4. The Smart House is equipped with 3 kilowatts of photovoltaics on the roof. It also has a car battery. It's a car battery from a Nissan Leaf, and the idea here is that it could either be your electric vehicle in the future parked in the garage acting as a battery for the house, or in the future we can be recycling and repurposing these electric car batteries once they're no longer useful in a vehicle. They can become part of your home. The transfer cutout system, which is the NEC system, is able to actually island the house. So in the event of a power outage, the home energy management system or the transfer cutout system recognizes that there's an interruption in power, and so it will cut the house off of the grid and it will run the house solely with the PV, the battery, and the smart appliances to be able to sustain the home for a long period of time without electricity. The Smart House is sectionalized, so we have heating, cooling units throughout the home with sensors, and so what happens is the home, just like the smart home, just like the homes on North Mesa and Barranca Mesa, are responding to signals through the micro energy management system. So it is communicating with the utility to understand when there are constraints on the grid, and is also making decisions based on that, in addition to the needs of the customer. So it's taking into consideration all of those factors.